Welcome to your UPSC Geography Preparation session. Today, we are diving deep into the climate of India, and by the end of this lesson, you are going to walk away with complete clarity on this topic. So let's get started. India experiences a tropical monsoon type climate, which is fundamentally shaped by two massive geographical barriers, the Himalayas in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south. You need to remember that the climate is primarily determined by four key factors: your latitude, the altitude of the region, the complex relief features, and the powerful upper air circulation known as jet streams. These elements interact to create the distinct seasonal patterns that define our agricultural cycles and overall ecological stability across the subcontinent. Now, let's break this down further. Look at this map showing the southwest monsoon currents. This is where it gets interesting for your exam. The moisture then winds from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal strike the western Ghats and the northeast hills respectively. But why does this matter for your exam? Because this mechanism explains the uneven distribution of rainfall across the country. You must note that the onset of the monsoon is sudden and explosive, often referred to as the burst of the monsoon. As these winds travel inland, they lose moisture, leading to a gradual decrease in rainfall as they move from the coast towards the interior regions of the Indian peninsula. Finally, we must look at the four distinct seasons: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon. The retreating monsoon is critical because it brings essential rainfall to the Tamil Nadu coast during the winter months. Keep in mind that global phenomena like El Nino and La Nina significantly impact our rainfall intensity. And that wraps up everything you need to know about the climate of India for your UPSC exam. In our next class, we will be moving on to soil types of India, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you haven't already, download the Examivers app. It's your complete preparation companion for cracking UPSC. We'll see you in the next class.